Hello, and thank you for checking Market Chameleon out. Today, I want to show you how to use the news, how to take advantage of the news and make an informed decision. So, when you are on Market Chameleon homepage, you got a few options how to navigate it. First of all, when you click the home page, it will open this website, this page. It will show you all the market alerts, every single one of them coming You can scroll all the way down from the beginning of the day. I think it's even from the pre-market. It showed the latest 50 out of 50. Tells you about Apple, tells you about Tesla. It gives you some ideas what to do, what to expect from the day when you want to trade options and make some informed decision. Apple, GameStop, all that good stuff. So that's one way to look at option. The second way is actually click on this tab, News Scanner. Okay, a lot of people go to Market Chameleon for the options, but they don't know that there are other features for this wonderful software, and one of them is News Scanner. So here you can search for everything that you wish by symbol, by keyword, and just see what's going on. So let's stick to our favorite one for the latest, NVDA. You search and you see if there's any news, and you see NVIDIA right here. Here's the change, here's the price, 130.98, and it says NVIDIA announced on Moneyverse microservice supercharge. So when did it happen? 9 a.m. today. Okay, you click, and then it opens the news, basically the PR news, Globe Newswire, Seattle, June 17. NVIDIA announced money, cloud sensor RTX set of microservices. I don't know, but it's good news basically, and they're already at 3.2 trillion market cap, but it is good news. And if you follow our channel, you know that we made bank on NVIDIA about a week ago when the price was 120, and we sold the put spread 119, 116. Of course, it expired worthless, and you could have made bank if you have Market Chameleon and of course following us. And if you don't, 7 days trial in the description below. But before we go that, I want to show you another option. Let's just check Apple, AAPL, see if we got any news. No news today. So another way to go other than a news scanner, okay, that you can check, as I said, the last 50 messages. You can go here, you can click on news, and you can click, for example, on, you got a couple of options. Economic calendar, this is something that we'll touch on a different video. All the earnings that are coming up, for example, all those stocks are about to report tomorrow. That's a different video. We'll stick to news. You can click on original articles. This is some stuff that Market Chameleon publish. Actually, it gives you a lot of options. For example, this one, and again, not a lot of people know or use this feature. This is pretty good. This Dell debit call spread can add 85% in 17 days. I never traded Dell. This is something that, hey, a trade on a silver platter, sure, it can go to zero, but this is something to think about. And this came out literally today, like before a little bit after I shot this video, and tells you bullish play with the target price of 145 and above. Strategy has 85% upside potential, 4% undervalue. It says buy the 140 call on Dell and sell the 145 call, and you pay 270 bucks, and then it goes to tell you the trade. Dell Class C common shares increased 6.6 to 143.85. So Dell is almost at 144, and it tells you to buy the 140 call, sell the 145. The max profit is above 145, and it tells you there's a strategy, theoretical edge of 70% win rate based on Dell historical price. I would not think about trading Dell. I trade Apple, I trade NVIDIA, I trade Tesla, GameStop, all the retail stuff. And here it tells you all the stuff and why you should think about trading this potential upside of 85% for this cool bull spread for 17 days left to expiration. So basically it says Dell right now is bullish, and you only need to be above 145 for a max profit. historical average value, current market price, 4% under value. So it tells you that based on history, Dell needs to be 4% over value, over the price that are right now, or this is the option. It's pretty good. It's pretty good stuff. It tells you the option. It tells you the option that you're paying right now 270 or 245, even better. So you're paying 245, but in reality you should have paid 280 bucks. So that's good. So not only that it tells us, hey, there's a potential bullish trade on Dell, it also tells you that Dell, you should, if you do take this trade, you're gonna pay 280 based on history. But lo and behold, Market Chameleon found this trade right now for 245. So you get a cheap option trade on a bullish stock that I would never even think by myself to trade. You got all these articles every day. Google bullish calendar. This is actually pretty good. I haven't used this yet, but specifically this trade or this column, let's say, but this gives you a lot of options other than all the stuff that I showed you before on the trade ideas, on the bullish, seasonality, etc. Big money stock flow, you see 959 million went into the S&P 500, and it's also today. So all those news are coming up with trade ideas. Honestly, if you don't pay for 7 days trial and you trade options, you don't have an edge, and you need an edge. Let's continue. Click on news, and let's see what we got here. Last thing, just latest press releases. This is what I want to show you. So, and you got a little promotion for TradeStation if you want to go pro, which a lot of people do. You can click here and go about that. And now it tells you all the latest stocks and press release, what happens. I like to click on my watch list, all my watch list, click refresh, and we got Space, Adobe, Space, Nvidia, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon. If I click to Nvidia, it takes me back to what we showed at the beginning. It also opened this trade, but it also gives me, let me show you, it opens the news. See, this is the news that we saw at the beginning of the video. And also Moneyverse, microservice, supercharged physical AI. And if you click on it, it opens you the tab of NVIDIA with all the details. And it tells you, here are free trades that you can trade. Bull call spread gives you 76% win rate, 29% edge. Something to explore. You can change top 3 by win rate. And you got all this, which is pretty other. Look at this. Look at this. Sell the 123, buy the 118, and Nvidia is at like 130. I'm not gonna say easy money because that's unprofessional, but there's a lot of options in here. Click report, you got yourself 29%. I want to see the diagram because you're already super duper in the money right here. Nvidia needs to go down all the way here to you, and you still make max profit, which is insane. That's what I have to say. And you can, if you want to have a lot more options, click on any, it will open. Look at all those trades that you can trade on Nvidia and other stocks if you wish. But Market Chameleon, the edge is in all the options and all the features that they have, not just the trade ideas. This is about news. Market Chameleon, 7 days free trial. Join with the link below. Thank you. I'll see you next time.